Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be showing you how to get these abstract wavy nails in shades of green. First, apply a base coat. This helps the polish adhere better and protects from staining. Next, apply a light green polish for the base color. With a thin brush and dark green shade, apply an S shape going down the nail. Now add another S shape linking the two in the center, then fill in the middle area. Use a slightly lighter green to border the previous color. Add another wavy line linking in the middle, then fill in. Repeat the previous steps with another slightly lighter shade of green than before. Also, be sure to check in the description box to see all the products I used to create this design. Next, apply the fourth wavy line with, guess what, another shade of green. So I'll be using a total of 5 shades for this look. Now I'm going to apply the dark green again, but this time over a little bit, so not bordering the previous shade, which will allow the base color to be included in the waviness. I'll be finishing the rest of the nail by applying the shades in proper order. The great thing is that you can do this design with any colors, any shades, so if you're not feeling the green, try out one of your favorite colors. Green is actually my favorite color, so I really loved how these came out. Finally, apply a top coat. This one in particular is one of my favorites because it has a gel-like finish, which makes it super shiny and long-lasting. Alright, so that's it for these cool abstract wavy nails. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching!